In this video, I will show you how to create a custom Twitch offline banner. First, open up any web browser and go to canva.com. If you don't already have an account, create one or sign in. Once you're logged in, click on Create a Design and search for a Twitch banner. Select the Twitch banner template to open the editor. Now browse through the available templates. Canva offers free designs, so choose one that matches your style. After selecting a template, customize it by replacing the default text with your channel name or any other message you'd like your viewers to see while you're offline. You can also change the font, colors, background, and graphics to match your branding. If you have your own logo or artwork, click Upload and add your own images to personalize the banner even more. You can also add shape, icon, additional text using the tools in the left-hand menu until you're happy with the design. Once your offline banner is complete, click Share or Download, choose PNG for best image quality, and save the file to your device. Finally, go to your Twitch account, open Creator Dashboard, go to Settings, then Channel, and upload your new image as your offline banner. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.